we're going to play a game, and this one we called it Careful Whisper.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Careful Whisper. I'll announce the teams, okay? So ang teams natin ay sila Drew and Paolo, kayo yung magkakampi, okay? And Susie and Iya. Ito yung mechanics natin. Each person magpapahula ng 3 words, okay? These are grocery items na madalas ninyong bilihin. Okay? And within 2 minutes, paramihan ng mahuhulaan na words. At pag nahulaan nyo ang lahat, the best time wins. Okay? Okay.
You're going down. You know it.
No, I see sila Tito said actually already.
Ang catch nito, para sa mga magpapahula, you have to deliver the lip sync in a certain way. Okay? So for Drew and Paolo right now, ang gagawin natin, unahin natin si Drew and Paolo, you have to do a lip sync na sexy. For example, ako, hulaan niyo ang sasabihin ko.
Uy.
Uy, okay yan ah.
Ano yun?
Kita mo, sila parang puzzle. Kami ni Drew, alam namin eh.
Ano yun?
Kamyote.
Yeah!
That's not even a real word.
It is actually.
Banana language, baby. Okay, are you guys ready to play the game, Paolo and Drew?
Ready.
Put
yes,
your
sir.
face closer to the camera and talk dirty to me.
Drew, ready. Item number 1.
Ay, ano pa ba naman yan? Gusto mo bang konting translation, saging? Banana yan.
Very good. May time pa tayo. Another one. So,
ready?
Hindi ko na yung timer. 2 minutes dapat yan eh. Go, Paps.
Montesilio ang lumabas sa bibig mo pero hindi yan yun. I know. It must have been a brand, but I guess not.
Isa pa. One more. Ready?
Ay,
Tornillo.
nako. Borneo. Galing ka pa sa Borneo.
Borneo?
Okay.
Ano ka ba?
May
Naka-quarantine
time
tayo
pa.
ngayon.
Ito, ibahin natin. A different item.
Okay.
Ha?
Baste? Namaste.
Yoga.
One last time, ha?
Okay.
20 seconds.
Mustard.
Oh! Is that correct? Is that correct?
Bustard.
The Godfather. Grocery list of The Godfather.
6, 5, 4,
Bustard.
3, 2, 1. Time's up.
Custard.
Mustard. Custard.
Pasta.
Pasta na masarap with
Okay,
mustard.
teka, wala tayong silistahan ko. Okay.
Si Drew, ipapahula naman kay Paolo. Okay? Ready? Papi Drew, ready? Girls, relax lang ha. Darating yung time ninyo. Mas maganda to.
Teka lang. Okay, game.
Ready? Papi Drew, timer starts now.
Talaga to.
Buti na lang nagsalamin ako.
May time ka.
I'm just kidding. Oh, sige. Ito na lang. Ito.
Huh?
You want my body.
One word?
Anchovies.
Ang haba.
Sa totoo lang, I'm just making words because the list is actually inside my phone and we're actually using our phone for the live coverage. Hold on. This is it.
Huh?
Gatas.
Oh, yeah. Next word. You have 1 minute. You have 1 minute. Sexy, huh? You have to say it in a sexy way. Parang sentence yung sinasabi mo, hindi naman word yan. Sentence yan eh.
Kailangan ba word?
Word lang. One word lang.
Okay.
I'm not sure kung ano yun, pero dalawahin mo na, pare.
30 seconds.
Pandesal!
Is it correct, pandesal?
Mantikilya.
Man.
Oh,
One more word.
Tagalog.
Ito.
Spanish.
Mas madali.
15 seconds.
Itlog!
Yes!
So how many points for the boys? They
Itlog.
got 2 points. The boys got 2 points, all right?
Hindi. Altogether, 3.
Altogether 3. Kasi itlog, dalawang itlog isa?
Hindi, nakuha ni Drew yung saging Banana,
saging.
itlog, gatas.
Banana, itlog, gatas. Tatlo. Guys, actually...
Okay.
Harina na lang kulang, banana bread na yan.
That's so true.
All right, it's girls' time. Okay. Speaking of girls, I want to say hi to Kim. She's watching right now. Hi, Kim.
Hi,
Thank you so much for guesting on the show.
Hi, Kim. She messaged our group na kanina. Get well soon, Kim.
I know. Dalawang toast niya nabali. Anyway, what a real doggy mama.
True.
Doggy mama, parang hindi tama yun. Anyway, mali naman. Anyway,
welcome
girls,
to Saklap, X.
It's your turn, girls. Iya, ipapahula mo kay Suzy, okay? Because you are so beautiful. The way you're going to say it is that you have to not show your teeth. Gets?
Huh?
You have to say it in a way. For example, like this.
Like that?
Like this.
Show your teeth.
You have to not show your teeth?
You have to not show your teeth. You can't show your teeth. I mean, you have to show your teeth while saying it.
You have to show your teeth.
You have to show your teeth while saying it.
You can't show your teeth.
Like that?
Pwede na. Gusto nyo ganun na lang? Kasi ganun na lang tayo.
You're not show your teeth.
Pwede naman, ganito na lang tayo eh. Okay, ready? Parts, ready?
Okay. No.
Yung sa'yo, Iya, yung sa'yo, kailangan nakalabas yung ngipin. Yung kay Mami Zoo, mamaya yung ganun. Wala namang ngipin. Okay? Ready? Okay, Iya, your timer starts now.
Milk?
Ipis. Parang ipis.
Okay, next.
Ipis.
What? You can't see it. Toothpaste.
No, it's a grocery item, so it's food. It's food.
Oh, it's food.
Yeah. Galing sa baka.
Cheese.
Yes!
Tomato.
Tomato galing sa baka.
Sabi ko kaya sinabi ko galing sa baka. Teka. Alam ko yung tomato galing sa lupa.
Okay. Eto.
You don't get your news from me, okay?
Parang borloloy eh. Borloloy. Catchball.
Apple.
Okay, 40 seconds.
Cheese. Yan yung cheese.
Hindi, parang churi eh. Churi. Uy.
Orange juice?
Ayo, iba talaga yung mga Australiano, no? Iba, no? Iba yung mga Australiano.
Did you get it? Is it orange juice?
Orange. It was orange.
Oh,
orange.
Juice.
Well, you still have 17 seconds. You got 3 points already.
Teka, ano ba to? Kala ko ba...
Corn?
Pictionary na ito nangyayari.
Oo nga eh.
Oo nga.
I was gonna say soft drinks, pero binubuksan ng ganun.
Time's up. Time's up. What was it?
Carrots. Ang hirap naman kasi.
Ano siya?
Pero,
Carrots.
diba, ang ganda ninyo.
Carrots.
You were fairly wide.
Carrots.
You were fairly wide.
Carrot.
Diamante.
Carrots.
Man, that was
Carrot.
hard.
Yung carrots.
Carrots patswat.
Ang hirap.
Anyway,
Ang hirap.
Oh my goodness. Good luck, Mars.
Suzy, it's your turn. Your version is you can't show your teeth.
Oh my goodness.
Your version is, nakatalikod ka daw.
Kailangan mo ilapit
Okay.
yung mukha mo ng ganyan. Pero pag, and then kailangan mo sabihin sa kanya, pahuhulaan mo sa kanya kung ano yung word. Kailangan, ano lang, madali lang okay? Ready?
Okay.
Timer starts
Okay.
now. 3, 2, 1, now.
Freaking could be anything.
Palaka.
Fair.
Parang palaka.
Fair.
Palaka.
Fair.
Palaka.
Sam.
Palaka.
Spam.
Palaka.
Spam.
Ham.
Ham. Ah.
Ham.
Ham. Ah.
Clam.
Parang lahat starts with an M pag
Damn.
ganito, di ba?
Di ba?
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Ma'am. Bumili ka ng ma'am. Next,
Oh,
next, next.
Nako.
Oh.
Di talaga.
Kokak. Kokak.
one.
Okay, wait. I'm not gonna give up.
Kokak. Kokak.
I can't. Snacks? Snacks.
Wala nangyari.
Sauce.
Pictionary na talaga. Pictionary.
Pasta.
Susunod, wala.
Sinandok sauce. Ano yan? Anong sauce? Sabaw? Sinigang mix?
Okay lang yan, naging fictional ito.
Suka.
Hindi.
Oh, next.
Ang sakit din ng pangako.
Caviar. Parang caviar.
Oh my God.
This is
Oh my
like
God.
impossible.
This is crazy.
It is impossible.
All right.
This is impossible.
I know.
5, 4,
Master Pony.
3.
Oh my gosh. Evaporated milk.
Okay,
Spaghetti.
time's up. Tawan-tawa ako kay Drew.
Milk, sugar, and spaghetti.
Oh my gosh.
Bili mo yung milk, ganito yung itsura.
Oo nga.
Pero,
Lahat
I
Pag
think-
naka sa grocery, sasabihin mo dun sa tindera,
Oh my
pabili nga ng...
gosh.
Pabili nga po ng...
Hindi mo ba alam yung...
Ito yung lesson that we can all learn.
Okay.
Kung ang dalawang babae hindi magkaintindihan, girl to guy kaya, mas matindi pa ang miscommunication, di ba?
Lalo na kung walang ngipin. Lalo na kung isa sa amin walang ngipin.
It's either...
Tapos yung isa sa amin, di ba,
Pero-
puro ngipin lang.
Pero nga ito ngayon, yan talaga yung realization nyo. Yan yung conclusion na umabot tayo dyan. Hindi tayo kailangan magsalita. Kailangan language of love lang talaga.
Tama.
Pakita.
Tama.
Yeah.
Exactly.
You guys were like super game. Salamat. Thank you.